What is going on? Oh my, it's been a while. It has been a while. Welcome back to another update of the road to a million. My name is Julian Tiscione and I dropped out of school, quit my job, and went full time into dropshipping and e-commerce. And yes, I know it's been a while. It's been 2 weeks that I haven't posted a YouTube video or an update, and that's not like me. Trust me, I didn't leave you guys. I didn't go ghost mode. I just been, really busy on a few things that I'm going to be mentioning, of course, in this video. But just to start it off, yes, as the title says, I have done over 150,000 US dollars in sales in the last 2 months. Of course, for you lovely people, I have to, show the proof. So, of course, I gotta show the proof. So Shopify actually got this new update where I can put it sideways and the dashboard looks a bit different. I think this would be easier because I just gotta cover it my thumb or like this. Wait, whoa. Hold on. All right. You see, April 1st to June 2nd. That's one store. The reason why I say 150 because we do have another store that has done. When did we launch this? I don't even know. I'm gonna do April 1st. I'm gonna do April 1st as a start date, but I don't think we started. Yeah, we started this on. We got our first sales May 1st. This has only been 1 month. So let's do May 1st to June 2nd. Put it sideways. Yo, this is sick though, low key, bro. As we speak. Come on. Camera. Let's go. Camera. There it is. Another extra 30. Wait, I didn't refresh. Fucking hell. I refreshed. 28. Whatever. You guys get the gist of it. I hope you trust me now so I don't have to start flexing dashboards. But yes, man. So it's been a heck of a journey. And I definitely have a lot to say after been grinding on everything. And of course, I'd like to mention, a lot of things I've been working on in the last few weeks to a few months actually are going to be in the link below. So if you already just don't want to hear me yap, you can just go click that link. But basically, I actually wanted to talk about how it's been pretty brutal. I'm not gonna lie. The numbers are really good, of course, as you can see, but people actually don't know the time and effort it does and requires to maintain that or to even do that, right? Especially I'm gonna especially talk about how I've been my goal has always been to try to help people. It's always been trying to help people, and that was one of my main goals ever starting this. So of course, when I started to understand truly about more direct response marketing, I understood how to really get a store profitable, get sales, how to maintain it, how to create more of a strong back end, how to get these numbers consistently, and not have it not have it die from a trend or something, whatever it may be. I've definitely wanted to help people hop on the wave with me, as I have always promised. For me, when I improve, my viewers improve because I give almost everything that I'm doing or learning. And first of all, I do have to say I'm actually really happy that I have seen a lot of people that been taking the actions of what I've been saying and seeing results themselves. And already within the last few weeks, that's been such a huge moment for me. Shit, bro, not only have I figured it for myself, but I'm able to really have other people start seeing results, and it's an amazing feeling. And of course, it's a huge pivotal moment in my journey, and I'm truly grateful for it all. The thing is though, I obviously, as you may know or may not know, I onboarded a few students. I have 4 students. I had like 10 plus different applications, but my program is just me. So like I can't really like, divert my energy in so much. And I really want to give the people that are in the program like direct, the most catered and most of my time and energy and attention. Then obviously, I created a course for the private community. Obviously, if they're already in it, they get it for free. But it's just been a lot, from going from absolutely zero to, technically making like 200K a month at the pace of making 200K a month on my e-com stores, guiding people with a program, helping creating a 10 plus hour course. Like, it's a lot. And I don't know how these gurus do it, bro. Like, I don't understand. And that's why, like, I understand now why people legit drop their dropshipping stores, because they're so greedy on the instant money that comes from this info side. But I'm kind of the opposite. It's like part of me wanted to go ghost mode. Part of me wanted to completely stop. Every single day I had to record, let's say, like something for a course or whatever it may be. Part of me is like, bro, I swear I want to quit. Like, because I'm here to make money I'm a businessman. I'm here to make money through e-commerce and dropshipping. I don't really care about, for me, the money that comes from this side of my life is not important to me, because it's not something that I view me doing decades from now, supporting my family. And it's just, I know it's short-term instant gratification money, and I'm aware of that. And that's why it's like when I see it taking so much of my time on e-commerce, which is supposed to be my main thing, it's supposed to be my thing that I care about the most, it took a toll on me. And of course, I put majority of my priority was my stores. I put more emphasis on my stores, made sure all the VSLs were being made throughout the week. But it's just that, like, I swear I didn't even have time to walk. Like, I was so busy, and a lot of people around me were freaking the fuck out. Like, they could never even see me for a second. My friend who I used to go for like 30-minute walks, I couldn't go for a 30-minute walk. I always had something to do. There was so much for me to do, and it was taking a huge toll on me. And that's the thing. It's like, I always thought that, reaching these goals that I wanted to achieve for so long, thought that life would be amazing. But if anything, it's like, you don't even understand the amount that takes to get this success. That's why, like, the idea is like, are you willing to do what it takes? Because it's not easy. There's a lot that goes into it. And I think a lot of people don't even understand that. And it's truly something you have to reflect on before, going through with it. Right. And of course, not everyone has a personal brand. Not everyone has like people that that relies on them and everything. But it's still, you guys I'm sure have other personal things to go in your life, like school, a job, or whatever it may be. Like, everyone has their time already being taken, right? And I saw it being so damn difficult. And it's like, no wonder like these fucking gurus actually either like drop shipping completely and like stop doing their e-com stores just to do info, or they do both, but their quality of info, like they get coaches, they get systems, they get this, they get that, it drops because they can't maintain, the info side. Where I don't want to do that. I still want to help people hands-on. I still want to, give like talk to these people, right? Like, and give them my full attention. But you see, I'm only one person, and it's difficult, right? But that's why I focus more on quality over quantity. And I'm really just trying to maintain, but I definitely see myself, lowering or spending less time on my personal brand and info side, very, very soon. You know, the months are coming up before Q4, and it's like, I know where my priorities stay. As much as I'd love to help everybody, I'm not here to make money off of you guys. I'm here to make a living from e-commerce. That's like my goal. Like, I never want to change that, right? So like, I definitely, as you can, I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I did launch, you know, this crazy launch for, you know, the course and the private Discord and everything. But it won't stay for long. Like, I don't know how long I'll be able to do this, because the more I scale with my e-com stores, the more time it takes, right? And of course, I understand I'm in this transitional phase, right, where I went from zero to absolutely everything. And then obviously I have to start hiring and delegating and creating systems to make things easier. But of course, like, this is like, you know, I'm not used to that level of success yet, where I have to now create systems. Everything was done by me. So me and my partner are really struggling, you know, with time, right? And we're definitely like in this transition where, of course, I do believe things will get better, but truly, it's something that I just like wanted to update you guys and like tell you, like, a lot goes into success, a lot. And it's been taking a toll on me. I've had people, man, they've said the craziest comments to me, but like, I'm deemed as crazy. I'm here at this office as much as possible. Like, it's crazy. People see me as a fucking psychopath. And it's just like, I can't explain to them, but like, everything that I'm doing right now just requires all my time. Like, my day was packed. It's gotten better now for sure, but the last month has been brutal for me. Like, again, low hours of sleep, late nights, early mornings. I couldn't even afford to go for a walk, like a fucking damn walk. And a lot of the hustles made me really appreciate these, you know, these things, right? And a fucking walk is something I appreciate so much. Something just to wind down, take my mind off work, take my mind off everything. And, you know, a lot of people have this dopamine of like crazy things. I don't even know a crazy thing, but I appreciate a walk, a damn fucking walk. And I couldn't even do that. It was truly, truly hard, but I'm definitely getting better at it. I definitely see my time getting, you know, more efficient, and, you know, things are getting better. But man, I was thrown into this. God has thrown me into this situation where I went from zero, but I was ready to eat. My plate was open, and he just threw all of it, too much that I can eat. And it was a definitely a grind, and I'm still on it, but it's more that I'm getting better to handle it, and I'm definitely, you know, being capable of doing these late nights, early mornings, sacrifices a lot, especially during summer, right? Like, the sun's out. I love to like just chill outside or go for a walk. Fucking walk. I want to fucking walk, man. Like, you know, and I fucking couldn't sometimes. And it was brutal, but you know what? Like, I'm happy about everything. Success is coming my way. I am grateful for it all. I'm grateful for my partner. I'm grateful for everything that we're doing in order to do it, and the goals. Like I said, guys, like I'm retiring my mom by next year. Like, it's happening. It's fucking happening. Like, I can see it. And not that I can see it, but I can. There's no more emotions. There's no more. I gotta manifest and believe it. Like, if I look at the pace that I'm going right now, logically, not emotional, logically speaking, I'm going to be able to retire my mom and pay the mortgage off by, you know, the end of this year or beginning of next year. And again, I'm happy to have this video to call it out before, because I like to call out my goals before they happen, to show people, like, you see, I was not fucking crazy. A lot of people just show up after the results done, but I'm here showing you the before. You know, the before and after transition will be crazy, but I'm here to show you the before, and I'm excited. But again, you know, I've already helped a lot of people find their way, find their success, and I definitely believe that what I have, my experience and my knowledge, I'm definitely learning at a faster pace compared to a lot of people that I can say that I know of, and I'm really happy that I'm able and capable and in this position to actually be able to help people. Like when I get text messages, it's of like actually like making like not helping people with mindset, like actually helping people with e-com and getting some success. It is such a great feeling, man. I love helping people, but again, I have to, know my priorities, know my line, and understand that I have a lot to do on my side for my businesses, and I can't sacrifice that, right? So I don't know how long or how much I'll be helping people for now, but if you do want my help, I definitely think the best time is to, just click the link below and apply for my help. Just join the private community, get the course that is absolutely stacked. I'm not even gonna go into the course. I don't have to be said. I'm not a guru, you know that. And I truly believe that I've touched on topics. I've talked about direct response marketing. I talked about fundamentals. I talked about VSLs. I went through it live, showing how I did my research, showing how I research, edit, and post VSLs and turn a store profitable in front of your eyes. I'm not gonna go about it. I don't care. I just did it. It took me like 10 plus, almost 15, I think, 15 plus hours of live recording, besides not talking about the planning and thinking and this and that, but like 15 plus hours of like live content. It took me a lot. So whether anyone appreciates it or not, I'm definitely going to celebrate and have a glass of wine and smoke a cigar. But I truly believe it's going to be the most valuable thing I've ever posted, and one of the most valuable things that I can probably find for people like you on the internet for this space. So and I mean that with all my heart. I'm not here to like really, if you're not interested, bro, by all means, I don't care. I did what I have to do. Now I'm going to focus on my own e-com stores. But like I said, again, if you do want my help, I think now is going to be the time. Because like I said, Q4 is coming up, and I don't know when I'll like close access, because it truly is going to be taking a lot of my time. And I want to make sure that the people that are already getting my help, get the best help. They don't just get, diluted garbage help. They get my full attention. So I can't be accepting and taking everybody in, right? Like I can't just scale like every other fucking guru and just they think about the money, but they don't think about the effort that it takes to make sure these people get the right care, right? So I'm definitely more quality over quantity. Want to make sure everybody in there is getting the best help as possible. And that's why, like, if you really just want to get some help, it would probably be now. There's the best time, because again, I don't know. Again, it's not a sales tactic. I actually mean it. I don't know when I'll stop closing access, because it's just Q4 is a lot and everything. Yeah, man. But like, man, it's crazy, bro. Like we're doing around 2.5 to 3K days consistently for like the last month or last month on both stores. So that's around 5-6K days. And now we got a private supplier and we're scaling. So man, I'm so excited, bro. I'm so fucking excited. But guys, man, whoever's been here from day one, bro, I fucking love you. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna get back to work. I got a lot of stuff to do, but thank you truly for watching. It means the absolute world to me. Thank you. Even if you just watched this like 20-minute video, like it means the world. Just for you to take the 20 minutes to understand my journey and understand me more and be interested in me. So yeah, I really, really appreciate it. I love you all, and thank you for watching. And of course, as always, man, this year's gonna be crazy. I'll see you at the fucking top, man. I'll see you at the fucking top.